Hello, Ruth. This is our building. Ayan. And this is the car we rented. So, dahil madilim, you can't see it much. Anyway, yan yun. So, pasok na tayo sa room. Ang naibigay sa amin ngayon is ground floor. So, very accessible. Ito ang key namin. Nasa bracelet. 115.
So, ito yung bracelet mo?
Yeah. I'm doing laundry. This is our door. Honey, I'm home. Ayusin na. So, this is our kitchen. Maxen. Yeah. Kitchen. Kitchen, stove, microwave, dishwasher, large refrigerator. Kompleto ng utensils. Dining area. Yan, kalat namin yan. Siyempre, kailangan ma-personalize. That's my husband. Smile. So, that's a picture window. Fireplace and the TV. Merong balcony. Ayan. So, wala kaming katabi. Maganda sa araw kasi makikita garden. Ayan. So, balik dun sa main hall. This is the door to the restroom. Door to the bedroom. The sliding door doon. Going to the balcony, closets. Another TV over here. King size bed. There's a bathtub. Siyempre, toiletries. This is the toilet. Oh. Shower area. This is the door going out. Ayun. That's about it. Lalabas. Oh, yan na yung one bedroom suite.